He let TJ. He let TJ fuck him and Frank fuck him too.
Hold on.
Hold on. They just fucking you all the way around.
Hold on.
They just fucking you all around, boy. Yeah, so that cooler hurting him right now. That cooler touching the bottom of that tip.
Rub my head. Rub my head.
Frank got already.
John had scratched me.
You been in the house?
Let me touch you. Come here. I'm gonna let you touch me already. Back up.
There's no wrong with that. You think that tissue, boy. Look at them crayons falling off of him. Hey, hit the ground, cuz. Look at it hitting the ground.
That's how we got those long fingers on that little finger that make that space head on those fingers go right
Look. Man, I ain't had that.
You didn't pick it off.
It ain't on no way. What the fuck you got it for? What the fuck you put? What you looking for?